Alright, hello, I'm the commentating genius. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to be genius. Yes, in three simple steps. Okay, number one, like and be good at something. Mm, Okay, if you like it, that's good. If you're good at it, even better. If you can find one that you're first, great. Number two, practice at it, become obsessed. Become so obsessed with it that you want to rival anyone's knowledge who steps to you in this particular field. So that you are the best. Step three is addiction. Make it so that you become so obsessed with it that it literally becomes an addiction and you want to learn more and more about it. Right? And that is how you be a genius. Yes, this technique will work with a number of things. And so yeah, enjoy.